What is up, guys? We're gonna get started here 8 o'clock in about 3-4 more minutes. We're gonna talk about JEJU. I don't know what is going on with my chart. It's been looking like this for the last 2 days, so I'm not sure what's going on. So the chart we have to use is going to be this one, but so we're halfway to the next resistance line at 1180. So basically at 12 is the next resistance line that I have charted. I know that was support on the way, that was support on the way up, and now it's resistance on the way back up. So we'll start getting into all that when a few more people join, but this is basically the charts, and then of course that's the all-time high, but we'll wait for a few more people to join. I also saw that they came out with a new coin called JEJU to True Coin. I think it's what JEJU. Yeah, so this one is the True Coin. So I think if True Coin does, I don't know. So I think if JEJU does good, but True Coin goes down, I think it'll go up. And I think if True Coin does bad, but JEJU stays the same, I think this coin will go up. I think that's how it works. I'm not really sure, but yeah, I would. That's not. You trade the top one, the second one down. I would stay away from. I mean, I think that's too risky. Plus, I'm not. I've tried investing in TrueCoin before. It didn't really work out for me. I know the uncle tries to promote it, but I don't think it's really that good of a coin. I don't know. Maybe long term it is, but it's not going to give you short term gains and long term gains like JEJU coin will, or JEJU coin will. So, all right, we'll get started here in a few minutes. How's it going, guys, on TikTok? So right now, Bitcoin is looking like it wants to break the support here at 33.3. Is it still connected? Alright, sweet. Can you guys still hear me? Because it said, let me know if you guys can't hear me because I don't know what just happened, but alright. Okay, I think it's still good. Alright, so right now Bitcoin looks like it's actually going to break this support because we had support here at 33.3, and if this breaks, JEJU coin could go down, unfortunately. But if you broke the support, the next local low would be 31.1 and then $30,000 again. Now, I do think the bottom is in until the bear market, which I don't think we're anywhere near, at $28,800. But we could go a little bit lower to 31.1 or 30K and then get about there. Although I would really love to hold the support here at 33.3. If we don't, JEJU coin, if it goes down to 31K or 30K again, you can believe this coin is going down probably another 20 to 25%. Although we do have some really bullish news because it's now listed on CoinMarketCap, so that's extremely good. Obviously, there's no real data in here yet because it was just listed hours ago. I will say this: I believe when I looked an hour ago or when it first came out, it was listed at like 26.38, and if you look right here, it's 26.19. So I know it doesn't mean a ton, but JEJU coin is going up in the rankings this early. So I do think in a week from today, a month from today, that would be even higher up. Or lower. You want this to go lower because then you want to be ranked higher. I think that makes sense. So, yeah, right now JEJU coin is looking good. You're about halfway to the next support. And when you get to that support, I do think it's going to be strong support because you can see here to go up, it wasn't hard to break to the upside. But when you tested it, you tested it one time, you tested it 2 times, you tested it 3 times before you finally broke it the 4th time. If you want to get technical, you actually tested it 4 times. You got a little bit of a pump. and then you went down, obviously, and so that's really the major resistance at that 12 level. And then, of course, all-time highs, you got up to 20, and then you hit a wick all the way up to 27. So, holy crap, that was an insane wick up there. But yeah, I do think, assuming Bitcoin it can hold $33,000 as support, support. I think we could actually go up to this resistance. Hear me? Okay, I don't know if it's connected still. I'm just going to connect. We are good. We're back. Okay, we're back. Sorry about that. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, like I was saying, I do think by Friday or by the end of this week, we'll probably be testing this upper resistance line here at 12 if Bitcoin can hold $33,000 or go up from here. So that's really what I'm looking at. I'm still bullish on this. I'm still holding it. And I probably don't even plan to sell until we're well above these all-time highs and we make a new all-time high. And then when it looks like we can't go any higher, I'll probably take my profits and try to get in lower. Because I am trading this. So I'm not holding on for dear life because you can make way more money trading if you trade it well. If you don't trade it well, then you might as well just hold it. But I think either way, you're going to make money assuming you know how to trade. So I do think we're going to make new all-time highs, though. Or get to the... I think by the end of next week, you make new all-time highs. I think by the end of this week, you're above this resistance level and going up from there. Now, over the weekend, there could be a little bleeding because obviously I think every weekend Bitcoin bleeds. It's just how it's been the last few months. So, like I said, on Saturday, especially Sunday night, I do think this will probably go down. But come early next week, you're going to continue going up on JEJU coin. So, very bullish on that long term. Weekends, not so much. But I'm not bullish on anything on the weekend. So, that's what I'm looking at for JEJU coin. It's looking pretty good. It would look even better if Bitcoin could, stay above 33,300, or if it could get above 35,000. But overall, looking pretty good. Let me know if you guys want to look at anything besides JEJU coin, but otherwise, it's looking pretty good. I know it's up it was up 105% at one point, so I think it's looking pretty good overall. Let's go look at the fear and greed index. So this is honestly, whenever this thing's below 40, in my opinion, it's a great time to buy. It's at 22. It was at 14 yesterday, so going up a little bit on that little bit of a bounce you got on Bitcoin yesterday. Now Bitcoin goes back down to 31K. This is probably going to go to 15 to 20. But any time it's below 40, it's an excellent time to buy. Or any time it's below 30, it's an excellent time to buy. Even 40 is a good time to buy. And then I guess lastly, we can go look at the crypto bubble, see what else is going on in crypto. So everything's still in the red for the week. I believe this is the weekly thing, not the daily thing, because I know everything was up quite a bit today, or at least in the last 24 hours. But for the week, everything is still down 20+% for altcoins. So KSM is down almost 50%. I know JEJU coin in the last week is down over 50%, but some of the more major coins still down quite a bit. Hopefully that can reverse, but of course Bitcoin needs to hold 33K, and we're kind of trying to do it. We need to really hold 33,300. That's what we need to hold. If we go to smaller time frames, let's see if we have any buy signals, because of course everything follows Bitcoin, even JEJU coin. And if Bitcoin's going to go down, everything's going to go down. So yeah, no buy signals on any time frame. So we'll see. Our next support would be a local low of 31,100, and then 30K, of course. If you go below that, it's going to be bad again. So I don't think we go below 30K again until the bear market, and I don't think we're anywhere near that. Now we did just get a buy signal that has flash, not been confirmed, but it did flash. This could be the bottom here. So we'll see. If this is, it's going to be very good for JEJU coin to continue going up overnight. We'll see what happens though. But the key level to hold is $33,300, and if we hold that and go up from here, then JEJU coin will continue pumping, in my opinion, because I don't think the coin market cap pump is over yet, in my opinion. But overall, bullish on this, of course. So I don't know what's going on with my trading view chart, but yeah, bullish on this. Love it. If you guys have any other questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'm live every day at 8 p.m. Central Time, so feel free to join. Feel free to like this video, subscribe, so you get notified every time we go live. I'm also on TikTok, so go check me out, Crypto Boss Andrew on TikTok. But overall, this 4-hour chart's looking very good. I'm very bullish on this. I don't know what else there's to say. I think by the end of the week, you're testing 12. That's really all I got. Thanks, guys, for joining. I'll see you tomorrow at 8 p.m. Central Time, unless this one goes up like another 100% in the next hour, then I'll come live again. Otherwise, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one.